Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to open File Explorer as admin in Windows 11. So very simple and basic way. Click on Start. Click on Start. Type here Task Manager. Open Task Manager. Click on File. Then click on Run New Task. Type here explorer.exe. Now click on this box. Create this task. Create this task with administrative privileges. Then click on OK. Now close it and restart your system. So this way guys, you can open File Explorer as admin. Thanks for watching. Please share, like and subscribe this channel.